We got ourselves a 2017 Impala in the shop. Spent the day today taking apart these headlights, defeating that permaseal, and replacing the projectors in the OEM housings. Did no other cosmetic modifications. This was purely a performance upgrade. Went from the OEM halogen projector lenses, these junky, funky things, and these junky, funky things. You see the, it's got that mottled look to it. See that? And these junky, funky things. And actually have the Morimoto Mini D2S projectors in there now. Whoop. With, what, like 5,500 Kelvin Morimoto bulbs. Yeah, it's a pretty big improvement. I didn't really take much documentation of the before, but it was pretty embarrassing. So, it's a nice car, and now it actually has headlights that can hold up to it. That's pretty much it. This is 13 with Superior Mobile ByThirteen. Holla at your boy. See ya.